Hi, my name is Kim Cullen, and I'm a personal injury attorney in Winter Park, Florida. We handle cases for people who've been involved in car accidents, and one of the frequent questions that they have is about collision coverage and whether or not it matters who's at fault when it comes to collision coverage. So first, a moment to talk about collision coverage. Collision coverage is an optional coverage that anyone in Florida can carry on their car insurance policy that will pay for the damage to their vehicle regardless of whose fault it is. So, for instance, if you're involved in a one-car accident, if your car slides off the road and you run into a telephone pole or something like that, then you can use your collision coverage to pay for the repairs to the car. However, the thing about collision coverage is almost every collision policy includes a deductible. Typically, they're $500 or $750 or $1,000 deductible. So most people don't really want to use their collision coverage unless they really have to. So let's return to talking about, does it really matter who's at fault? So if you're involved in an accident and it's somebody else's fault, typically that car's insurance can be used to pay for the repairs to your car, and that's under their property damage coverage on their car. However, sometimes people are insured by insurance companies that don't do a great job with adjusting claims, or there are delays involved in adjusting claims, and sometimes it's a lot easier for people just to use their own collision carrier to get their car fixed more quickly. And as I said a few moments ago, when that happens, then the person who's using their collision coverage often has to pay a deductible. So where it really does matter whose fault it is in forcing someone to pay for the repairs to your car through a property damage claim, or ultimately using your own collision coverage and then letting them go back against the at-fault driver's property damage coverage to get your deductible back for you. So yes, it does matter who's at fault in a collision claim. And if in order for a person who's not at fault to be made whole, there still has to be a showing or a proving a fault on the at-fault party. If you have any questions about any kind of damage claim to your vehicle, property damage claim or collision claim or anything in between, please give us a call. Our phone number is 407-254-4901. You can text us at 407-644-4444. I would encourage you to visit our YouTube channel, where you can find hundreds of videos similar to this one about virtually any topic you can imagine that deals with personal injury or car accident claims. Or you can download a copy of our free book about car accident claims, and I will leave a link in the description below.